In this session, let us learn about Python MongoDB create collection. Creating a collection. A collection in MongoDB is the same as a table in SQL database. To create a collection in MongoDB, use database object and specify the name of the collection you want to create. MongoDB will create the collection if it does not exist. See example, create a collection called customers. Now let us create the collection name customers. See, import pymongo, my client is equal to pymongo, a Mongo client, MongoDB localhost, my DB is equal to my client, my database, my call is equal to my DB customers. Yes, collection created. Important, in MongoDB, a collection is not created until it gets content. MongoDB waits until you have instead a document before it actually creates the collection. Check if collection exists. Remember, in MongoDB, a collection is not created until it gets content. So, if this is your first time creating a collection, you should complete the next chapter create document before you check if the collection exists. You can check if a collection exists in a database by listing all collections. See example, written a list of all collections in your database. See import pymongo, my call is equal to my DB customers, print my DB list collections name. See the result customers printed. Or you can check a specific collection by name. See example, check if the customers collection exists. See print the collection exists. See the result, the collection exists printed. Okay friends, this is the end of part 3 Python MongoDB create collection. In next video let us learn about another topic MongoDB insert. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.